My empire. Something that was built a long time ago. I worked my ass off for so long. Got so many great moments. And now I received what every YouTuber gets upon getting 100,000 subscribers. The one thing that everybody always enjoys. The reward of this. Christian Maracle finally gets his own silver play button. This is the moment that people have been waiting for, and especially I have been waiting for years. I went through everything. A channel termination, stress, gaining subscribers, losing subscribers, losing more subscribers, but most of all, losing a lot of respect. But despite all that, I fought through every last challenge, and I got my reward. This is something that I worked for years. And now, the big journey of getting this is finally over. This is mine now. Time for the one thing everybody's been looking for. Time for me to unwrap this thing. Everyone knows it's a moment of a lifetime. I sit before you now as your emperor. The guy who's receiving everything he so rightfully deserves. And now, everything. Every plan has led to this moment. The box opens, and now I see you inside for what you really are. Place this in the right place. Let's get this a closer look, shall we? Ah, yes. What's inside here is something I worked for. Who's ready? Oh, a message from YouTube. You just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Well, that's kind of debatable, because a majority of the people who subscribe to my channel, all they care about are the SIDS videos. Anytime I want to actually do something that I enjoy, they have zero respect for me. Zero. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained, or stupid. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. Well, you got that part right. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. Exactly. And YouTube tried to take it away from me once. They failed. I won. That's the result. I won. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award. A small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. Exactly. You do it because you have a drive to create and share. Exactly. And because you found an audience who cares. Sadly, that's a little debatable. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. If you were rooting for me, you wouldn't have terminated my channel 2 years ago. Yours sincerely, Susan I don't know how to say her last name, but she's the CEO of YouTube. Alright, it's time, folks. What is this? Oh, another note. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. Want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Whoever the fuck Rick is. Well, thank you, Rick. If a award was damaged during shipping, and if you have any questions, please contact. Yeah, okay. Nothing on the back? Okay. There it is, folks. Presented to Christian Maracle for surpassing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Look at that. This is everything that I deserve. I guess you know what people usually do in this situation. They make some sort of weird speech. Alright, let's get this over with. There's one person who really deserves a major thanks. Oh, I can see my reflection. That's cool. I didn't know I could do that. There's one person who really deserves a lot of thanks. 100% of the credit. And that is me. Me. No one else. And yes, I know what people are going to say in the comments. Oh, Christian, if it wasn't for us, you would never have gotten this. Well, guess what? Who's the one who actually brought you to me? I did. I'm the one who brought everyone here. This accomplishment was made because of me. I made you all subscribe. I made you enjoy my content because I am a creative genius. I sacrificed years of hard work to make sure people are happy. And sometimes that didn't work. I even sacrificed my own happiness. And finally, I got the recognition and the respect that I deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, yours truly, Christian freaking Maracle, has got his silver play button. 100,000. And now, the road to 1 million has begun.